Hello! So this week we have been working on the concept of show, not tell, painting a picture with our words in our reader's mind. We want to give details, we want to use vivid verbs, use precise nouns, figurative language, and adjectives to show our reader and not just tell them what's going on in our stories. So today we're going to take things a step further and we're going to look at paragraphs. How and when do I start a new paragraph? So you already know how to write a really juicy and filling paragraph. Let's look at how to switch from one paragraph to another. Paragraph breaks. A good time to have a new paragraph is when a new character is speaking. We know that dialogue, each character has their own paragraph. So every time a new character speaks, we start a new paragraph. Another time to start a new paragraph is when the setting changes. If you're taking us from the airport to your car to the hotel, we need to know each new setting needs to become a new paragraph. Also, when a new topic is introduced. If you're telling me about your first volleyball game, but then you go to the pizza party after the volleyball game, not only has the setting changed, but the topic of each of those paragraphs have changed, so they need to be separate paragraphs. Next, if the scene changes, think of a movie. You might be in the same setting, but something dramatic happens. The scene shifts. That would be a signal to start a new paragraph. Next, we have if time moves forward or backward. If you're having a flashback, you're remembering something from the past, start a new paragraph. If you're imagining the future and having a flash forward, start a new paragraph. Another time is if there is a new event. If something dramatic happens or there's the climax, a new event happens within your memoir, start a new paragraph. A new character is introduced. Anytime a new character comes into the action, start a new paragraph. So those are some of the key times you would start a new paragraph. Remember that your story must go in logical order, beginning, middle, and end. What shows your audience this logical order? Well, transition words do, of course. Transition words are words or phrases that show a transition in time. They give your reader hints. They show your reader that there is a progression in time and that the scenes are changing or the time of the memoir is changing from beginning, middle, and end. In this lesson, you'll see two different files. Two lists of transition words. This first one just has them separated into categories. And the next one is just a really long list of some transitional words and phrases. You should begin every new paragraph with some type of transition word or phrase. That's a really good way to keep your audience following your story. So today, what I want you to do, take some time, read through your memoir, look at your paragraph breaks, find the places that you need to add a new paragraph, and then look to see if you need to add in some transitional words or phrases. Thank you. Happy writing.